on.
This is called Hershey Park.
Welcome to Hershey Park. June 28th.
Please visit one of our cash to card kiosks located throughout the park. For your safety and safety of others, all guests will be screened using Evolve Express technology as you enter.
Come back to America Channel. Today we are here at Hershey Park. Gonna check it out and see what's going on. I don't know what we're gonna do today. Probably go to Hershey World and do some more stuff. But welcome back to the channel. Hershey World. The giant greasy cup and candy around that stuff for make a giant greasy cup. But more, let's go to the ride first. No, let's go to the ride first. The ride, yeah. You got a ride in here. You see. Why you always trying to like disrespect my team, bro? Like this is why I don't like them Ferris wheel. You see the roller coaster up and people stuck in the air crying recently on the news. I don't want to be in the air crying, bro. Let me stay on the ground. Civilized ride. Them barbaric rides going around. No. First of all, Mr. Hershey never made those rides. This is the ride he made personally to show you how the chocolate's been made. The park is for barbarics. Look at this stuff. Yeah.
We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Oh, look, it's a fake kitty.
You can see all the thing. Look on the cow, look on the cow them. Oh, them are gonna make noise.
They don't really have roller coasters that big. They have it like stimulated rides. This is a stimulated ride. That's so cute.
But the only thing about this, you get free chocolate.
Yeah, should have brought him. He would have let that.
You can ride this unlimited.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality
Yes, so she will give you information.
Chocolate Factory. I was asked for your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around.
So everything I feel, that's how the chocolate started. So literally, they're gonna make us like the chocolate. You're gonna smell it, you're gonna feel it.
Let me experience it, Daddy.
Wow, okay.
I can experience with you. You already experienced it before. That's so cute. What's that chocolate?
Yeah.
Like cacao, or that's like
Cacao. And then blow up.
Blend.
Our cocoa experts carefully select, store, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Yeah, because you can't get that shit here. Like them beans, them chocolate beans, them cacao. So they really making it right now?
Yeah, weird the chocolate. It's gonna feel hot now.
Oh, shit.
So we toast it. It's not really hot.
Oh, no warm though.
So this literally like making of the chocolate. Look, this red look like a bean.
Yeah.
Bologna are really machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa butter known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we use later on in the process. Every day, Shelly takes the milk to one farm and runs
Pretty cool.
factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk. Fresh milk is critical to make Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious, distinctive taste.
That's so cool.
Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call
I
chocolate
love
pearls.
Hershey's chocolate. I love chocolate. It's dangerous. Hello. Okay, we gotta come over there. We in the little Hershey place. We gotta come out. Okay.
What happened?
She's talking about his flash pads, but his flash pads is to mine, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to give her a picture of mine first.
We
You know what
pour
I'm
the chocolate pearls into a close
Crazy.
Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed down earlier and add a dash of
So they go in the water now.
This brings out the chocolate's rich taste.
Send me flash pass going in the water.
Oh,
Oh.
but we can just meet them and buy vibes with them, you know, so he can buy.
We feed the chocolate crumbs through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Chris to explain the next step in the process.
Inside. You know what I'm glad about? It's not that hot. Welcome to HERSHEY'Park, Mademoiselle. How you doing? It's a nice weather today. It's not that hot. Hopefully I enjoy it, and I'm not going on no rides and she upset with me. You have to love what you love what you don't love. I'm gonna speak it into be, bruh. I ain't going on no rides. There's people on rides crying for help. Save me, firefighter, I'm dying. Save me. Nah, bruh. I ain't all that shit. You never know. This of all, I was gonna say this one look kinda low, but when I look over that side, look how high it go. Hell no. My first time up here this time of year. I always be up here like fall and winter. And this never opened yet, yo. I never see this open yet. Not care what time of the year. They say they do like some acting type thing in there. Yeah, never. And the Christmas things stay there.
I love that.
All year.
You should come for Christmas. It's probably pretty
They come up at Christmas or not till they say, man, let's come at the time of year, place pretty. But the food up here,
Of course.
they got keep. Holy fuck, better would they go and slide for us, yo. This is horrible.
This is so cold. And it's been a little chilly lately, like a couple days.
Oh my god.
And there's no sun today.
It's chilly, we're in the laser river. Damn, what's that you got left in thing?
Where?
I don't know. When's Renton?
I don't know if I want to sit down.
Why? Might as well.
while in the water of the intercoastal waterway.
Are you moving fast? You're moving fast as shit. What's moving so fast?
Stop or slow down throughout the ride. Do not attempt to swim against the current. Once you reach the end of your ride, please exit carefully and enter and exit from designated areas.
Wow. It's moving fast as hell.
I do not want to go. I do not want to go under there. I want to be comfortable.
Hey, then switch lane. Try middle it.
It's not even enjoyable on this cold.
Huh?
No, I'm done. I don't want to get no water slide.
No, I'll go on a slide.
I want like my curls to get messed up. My little curls in the front. Oh,
This is how you're going to get used to it. Just get wet. Just get wet. It's like, yeah. It's fast though. Yo, it's so fast. It's fast. Why am I in front of you?
at least your legs a little warm.
Huh? It's slow. It's going slower now. That side was too fast. Or maybe two we are all each other that go slow. It shouldn't be no one time around. We used to lazy river where you go around until you're tired. Oh, come on, baby.
You said get off me.
Oh, come on. No, come on. Like the mirror. It's something like the ride take.
More than once?
No, but we use the lazy river. We just ride until you're tired. Yeah, why you gonna say fake Hershey, man? Don't disrespect what Milton the OG.
Okay, first
This finally working now. That's crazy.
this is not as old as Disney Park.
No, I'm not saying it's not old as it was.
He is that. He just as old as Disney or older. Okay? My whole thing is that
Sorry. This clothes, you know, so nice, you know. Then the performance in it. Oh.
the next one got two.
At least then look at show them how performing there. But the ride of this, this are the line feed. You go all the way outside of the park and come back in toward the entire place. See there? There's the river. I go the one at Orlando.
Damn, you're trying to go on faster now.
Yeah, that's the thing. They know when times they pump. See the pumps them right there? They pump this side when they go fast or slow. Mama, hold up the phone, someone. Hold up the phone. But I showed that because that's not really like them.
It's good. It's not getting wet.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
The bottom is good. It's the top. Oh my God.
It's peeling off.
Put me in the middle. Put me in the middle. In the middle.
Direct.
I don't want to do that.
I love them camera. Lower again. My brother, why? Boat to go on this water slide. Yeah. Damn, this bit look high. Too late now? I missed the entire thing, yo. The camera wasn't recording. It was crazy though. I'm gonna try to get it this time. That's crazy. Wow. Come on, wildlife shit. One more drop. One more drop. So amazing. What you're looking at, lady? The slide was so crazy. Yeah, no, you're by yourself.
You're fucking crazy.
Pumping water.
Joy, stop!
Huh? No, I mean, you're gonna call it wet. I'm smell yourself. Yo, it's traffic drop. Look at this. Everybody in the living room.
I'm sliding through. I'm ducking and dodging in traffic.
You got two tongues to dodge right now.
Yeah. My family here at Hershey Park with me now.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Go ahead, you record it.
What's up, YouTube? We're in the big leagues now, right?
Talk to him like it's your YouTube channel. Say, hey guys, I'm taking over.
Hello guys, I'm taking over. So we're gonna be at Hershey Park today, and so make sure y'all go down below and subscribe and like and comment down below.
So what you gonna say to the vlog?
I'm having fun right now. It's the best day of my life.
The best day ever?
Yeah. Alright, y'all. Look, we in the water. Y'all seen the water? Okay. Comment down below if you liked it. If you like it, okay?
That's one scene. Yeah, we should have gone the other side.
It's going the same way. Yeah, y'all. This is so fun, y'all. Like, look at it. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Y'all see that? That is crazy. We're in the vlog, man. But this is so fun, and I hope we have a great rest of our day. But we're not going to end the video right now. But we just going down the video more and more and more. So keep watching to the end because it's going to be so fun, alright? Let's get to it. Okay, y'all, I'm back.
Children should not be left unsupervised.
I can't.
Thank you and enjoy your day.
Okay, y'all. y'all get ready. Y'all see that in the back of me? Look, okay. Woo! So fun, though. Look at my family back here. I can't. Remember me? So, just keep watching. Hop on.
Still at HERSHEYPARK here. We're about to leave soon, you know what I mean? It was that crazy day. I didn't get to record much here. I'm tired as hell, man.